Look, if you had one shot, one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted in one moment, would you capture it or just let it slip? Yo.
His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. His vomit on his sweater already. Mom's forgetting, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's choking now. The clock's run out, time's up, over, wow. Snap back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh, there goes gravity. He's so mad, but he won't give up. He knows he won't have it, he knows his whole back to these ropes. It don't matter, he's dope. He knows that, but he's broke. He's so stacked that he knows, and he goes back to this mobile home. Back to the lab again, yo. This old rhapsody better go capture this moment and hope it don't pass him and lose yourself in the music. The moment you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot, do not miss a chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music. The moment you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot, do not miss a chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose.
Yo.
So like relax, I'm spilling these facts as long as you feel them. Cause the day that I drop, you'll never say that I'm not killing them. Cause when I am not, then I'ma stop pinning them. And I am not hip-hop, and I'm just not Eminem. Subliminal thoughts when I'ma stop spinning them. Women are caught in wax, spinning in hawk venom. Adrenaline shots, a penicillin could not get the alien to stop. Amoxicillin's just not real enough. The criminal cop killing hip-hop, feeling a minimal swap. To God, millions of pop listeners. You're coming with me, feel it or not. You're gonna fear it like I told you. The spirit of God is in us. You hear it a lot, lyrics are sharp. Is it a miracle or am I just product of pop? Is enough. This is my whistle, this is the plot. Listen up, you business with guys. Listen, it's not if I talk.
Come on, till the lights go out. Till my legs get out. Can't shut my mouth till the sun lives out. And my eyes, I'ma rip this shit till my bone go like it. Come on, till the lights go out. Till my legs get out. Can't shut my mouth till the sun lives out. And my eyes, I'ma rip this shit till my bone go like it. Until the love comes on. Love comes on. Until my legs give out from underneath me. I will not fall. I will stand tall. Feels like no one can beat me.
What would you do if someone offered you their pain? Would you lend that man a hand to walk away? Cause life is hard and you ain't gotta share the weight. And when it's all said and done, you gon' end up in the rain. That's why we struggle for money, power, and greed. We go to war and undervalue our peace. We set our sights on change that we'll never see. We send them home with the key, at least you can let them dream. It's for the kid in that war-torn city. And put your hands together and pray with me. But chances are that he won't heal your scars. You a little too late and he a little too far. But in your heart, something telling you to hang on. Say no matter what you stand for, stand strong. I see it all, see it clear in this sandstorm. And they can tell you what they want, but they damn wrong. That's why you tell them that you looking for the door when they looking for your heart. And you tell them that it's yours and you never gon' let it go. Keep it on a pedestal, waiting to the end before I fly. I'ma let them know. I know your life ain't as simple. I know I've been there before. I've been down that road when you gotta lay down and you just can't take no more. When they all just seem to doubt you and the world goes on without you. When the days go by and you're locked inside, just know you're not alone. Cause we all trying to fly away. We are trying to fly away. Just know you're not alone. When they try and make you whisper but you wanna yell, Or they tryna get it at you, but you never tell. It doesn't really matter what I'm doing, I'ma give them hell. Long as all my people on the boat, then I am set to sail. I could take it all, but only took what I needed. Struggle can make you strong and turn a bird to a phoenix. Just let them know that you can, let them know that you mean it. The harder road is more scenic, you gotta trust me, I see it. I believe it's in you, I believe it's the truth. I believe if you want it, there's nothing you couldn't do. There's no one you couldn't face, there's nothing you couldn't stop. Stay ahead of the race, you're taking it to the top. Breathing in out of space, you're taking it to the stars. If you can handle the heat, then you can take it that far. You can handle the load, and you can take it that high. Until the day